Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to learn how to create an online store. If you have a small shop or big store and want to start selling your products online, this video is for you. By setting up your own e-commerce website, people can easily browse and buy your product from anywhere. I'll show you how to build a website like this, step by step. You will see how to add your products, customer can add items into their cart, make a payment, and just like that, they have purchased your product. The best part is, you can design your website with simple drag and drop editor. Plus, your website will work smoothly on any device, whether it's phone, tablet, or computer. So let's jump right in and start creating your online store. Alright guys, to create any website, whether it's e-commerce, blog, or any kind of website, there are two required things: web hosting and domain name. To get a web hosting and domain name, there are several web hosting companies out there who can provide you a web hosting and domain name, but unfortunately, handful of them are the best. I personally use Verpex Web Hosting, which is the most reliable and trusted web hosting company out there. So go to the first link in the video description, or you can type in this URL, runnersvfx.com/Verpex, and it will take you to this website. So this is the web hosting company that I'm talking about. And now you can see you will get up to 90% off for your web hosting packages. And you can also check their rating across different platforms. To get a web hosting, hover your mouse over web hosting. So since we are going to create a e-commerce website, so I recommend to go with the cloud web hosting, which is the most suitable web hosting for e-commerce sites. So simply select that. So now you can see different billing cycle, like you can get these packages for 36 month, 12 month, or monthly. You can see their features listed here. With this package, you can host one domain or you can create only one website. With this package, you can create hundreds, and with the gold plan, you can create unlimited websites. With the cloud web hosting, you will get NVMe SSD disk space, which is the most fast and best for e-commerce website. And you also get a free domain name with each package for 1 year. And you also get a cPanel control panel. Okay, and there are other features are listed here that you can read. So go for at least silver plan so that you can create hundreds website, which is more than enough. To get any plan, simply click on Start Now button. In the next page here, make sure you select your billing cycle, select annual and server location. Scroll down, here you can register a new domain, which you can get for free. Just type the domain name. If you do not know how to get a perfect domain name for your business, you can use any AI language model that can help you to find the best domain name for your business. For example, let's go to ChatGPT, and here ask ChatGPT, write 50 domain names for pet shop with 6 to 8 character long. You can change your niche from here. Like for example, you want to start your e-commerce business on electronics, you can type electronics or something like that. Just replace this name with your own e-commerce business and it will give you 50 domain names. Simply click over here or you can press enter and you will get 50 list of domain names that you can register right away. Some of them may not be available for you, but you can just copy the name from here and let's see if that domain is available or not. Just paste it here and see. So this domain name is not available, but let's try a different one. So this domain is not available as well. So what you can do is take your time and go through each domain, and if you like that domain, you can buy it. Okay. Another useful option you can do is you can go for .net domain, or maybe you can go for .shop domain. So this is not available as well. So what I can do is I'll go with .net domain. So this domain is available. I'm going to click on register domain name. Now simply click on add to cart. So item is added to the cart, as you can see over here. So finally select your payment detail, select PayPal, scroll down, and here make sure add your address. Okay. Once you do that, simply click on place order and complete your payment. Since I already have package with verpex.com, I'm not gonna buy this again. So let me show you what to do next. So after purchasing a domain name and web hosting from verpex.com, they'll ask you for domain verification. So just simply verify your domain name, and within few hours, your domain will be verified. So after you complete your payment, go to the dashboard, and here you will see the list of active products. On this account, I have the 1 month cloud web hosting and I have this domain name. Now let's move to the next step. In this step, we are going to install a WordPress. If you do not know what is WordPress, WordPress is a non-coding script that allows you to create a website without knowing a single line of code. So let's go ahead, log in into control panel. Let me delete the 𝘀GPT tab. So this is the C panel, and here we are going to install a WordPress. If you scroll down, you will see different types of sections like email, files, and we have the domains, database, and security, software, advanced, preferences, and sitepad website builder themes. If you keep scrolling down, you will find all the scripts that you can install inside your web hosting right away. We are interested with WordPress, so select the WordPress. On this page, simply scroll down and click on Install Now button, and it will take you to this page. Here in the software setup, make sure your domain is selected, which is already there. In the directory, make sure you delete this directory folder, and this is the latest version of the WordPress, which is already selected. Scroll down, here you can see we have the site settings. Inside the site settings, we have the site name, site description. Quickly type in your site name and description. In the right hand side, you can see we have the admin username and password. This is very important information to remember. So type in your admin username. Later, this credentials or this information allows you to log in into your WordPress backend. So make sure type in your username and password. Scroll down, and here you can see we have the language and we have plugins to install, but I do not recommend to install these plugins because later we can install any plugin of our choice directly from the backend of our website. Okay, so do not touch anything, simply click on install, and it will take few seconds to install WordPress directly inside your cloud web hosting. So as you can see, we have successfully installed the WordPress. To access your WordPress front end, go to this URL and it will open the front end of your website. You can see as I'm talking, the web page speed is skyrocket. By the way, this is the 2024 theme. You can see when you install WordPress first time, you will get this theme by default. Okay, so let me close this tab, and now to access the backend of your website, you can use this URL. Let's open in a new tab, and you can see this is the backend of your website. When people visit your site, they will see the front end, or you can say the look of your website. From the backend of your website, you can customize your website however you like. You can add less feature or more using different types of plugins and themes. So now let me show you how to log in into WordPress backend manually. First of all, let me log out. Let's close this tab. Let's open a new tab, and here simply type in your website domain name /wp-admin and press enter, and it will take you to this WordPress login page. Here simply type in the username and password and click on login. Save the information if you like. So this is the backend of our website. Now let's proceed with the next step, where we look at the essential settings of WordPress. So first of all, let me close these tabs. Let me close this one as well. And now let's see how to set up your essential settings of WordPress. Hover your mouse over settings, click on general. In the general tab, you can see we have the site title, tagline, which is we have already filled in. We have the site icon. Let's go ahead, upload a site icon. If you do not have site icon, you can check out this video, which you can find in the video description. So for the demonstration purposes, I'm gonna upload this logo. Let's click on set site icon. Click on crop image. There you go. Next, we have the WordPress address and site address. Make sure both should be the same as mine. Next, we have the administrator email. Make sure you type in your real email. That was the custom email. you can add that as well. But right now I'm going to type in my real email over here. Next we have the membership. Make sure you check this box. Anyone can register. New user, default role, subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or administrator. Let's go for subscriber for now. Site language, time zone, I'm going to select mine. I'm from India. Next we have the date format and time format. For me it's completely fine. Week starts on, you can select the day of your week starts. Let's finally click on save changes if you make any changes. Next, move to the writings tab. Here you do not have to change anything over here. Let's look at the readings tab. In the readings tab, you can change how many blog pages you want to show per page. You can change the number from here. Rest of the things are completely fine. Let's leave the discussion and media. Simply go to permalinks. So this is very important settings, guys. Make sure you select the post name, which is the best settings for SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. Once you make any changes, don't forget to click on save changes at the very bottom. Next, we have the privacy. Here you can see we have two tabs over here, policy guide, and we have the settings. Here you can see we have the privacy policy page selected. This is the dummy privacy policy page. You have to create a new privacy policy page for your e-commerce website. If you go to pages, all pages, let me open this in a new tab. You can see these two pages comes with the WordPress installation. So let me quickly remove these pages. Let's click on the trash button. Let's remove this one as well. Trash button. Now let's create a new privacy policy page and then we will select that page from here. If I refresh the page, you can see there is a no privacy policy page because we just delete that. Let's create a new privacy policy page. To create a new privacy policy page or any page, go to pages, add new, or you can click over here. Both are the same thing. So right now, this is the 𝗀𝗶𝗶𝗹 editor. Let's close this out. Now this is a pop-up. Let's close this out. Here simply type in privacy policy and below here we have to add the context of our privacy policy. If you do not know how to write a privacy policy, you can use ChatGPT or Google Gemini to create a privacy policy page for your website. Let's open ChatGPT and here ask ChatGPT, write privacy policy page for my pet shop where I sell pet products only in United States. Add all the essential information for e-commerce website. Just press enter and let's see what we will get. Alright guys, so you can see ChatGPT has written this effective privacy policy page. So simply copy all the text, come back to this page and paste the text like this. Now all you need to do, you need to read entire privacy policy page carefully and add your own information into this page. Like you have to replace this name with your own website name. Like this website name is 𝗀𝗀𝘀 and here you have to insert the date. And below you can see some other information like your business name, your address, your email and phone number. Make sure to insert that as well. Once you're done with that and you are happy with this privacy policy, simply click on publish button and hit publish once again and your page will be published. Now let's close the ChatGPT and let's close this one as well. Come back to this page under the settings, go to privacy. Now refresh the page one more time. Now select the page that we have created, click on use this page and now we have successfully updated our privacy policy. So with that, we are done with the essential settings of WordPress. Let's go to the dashboard and let's proceed with the next step. Okay, so in this step, we are going to install a theme. So if you do not know what is theme, well, theme will give your website an extra look and feel. For example, if you visit your site or you go to the front end of your website, you can see this is the look of your website right now, which is boring, not suitable for e-commerce website. To create a professional e-commerce website, we have to install a premium WordPress theme. To install a theme, hover your mouse over appearance and click on themes. And here you can see by default we have installed 3 themes, 2022, 3 and 2024. Let's delete them one by one. Select delete, click OK. This one, select delete, click OK. And we cannot delete this one because this is the active theme right now. But we can delete this one later once we install a new theme. Let's install a new theme. Click on Add New. And here you will find thousands of free themes to install. If you have purchased a premium theme from third-party website like 𝗀𝗏 or any other website, you can upload the zip file directly from here, okay? But we are not going to upload any file. We're going to install a free theme to create a professional looking e-commerce website. And one more thing I want to show you guys before I install that theme. Let's hover your mouse over plugins and click on installed plugins. And here you can see by default this website comes with these two plugins. If you do not know what is plugin, well, plugin will add the extra functionality to your website. Each plugin has different types of features, okay? So first of all, we are going to remove them. You can remove them in a bulk. Just simply check this box. It will select all of them and go to bulk action drop down, select delete, click on apply and then click OK. It will delete both of them because we don't really need them. Alright, let's come back to this page. Appearance themes, and here search for Royal Elementor Kit. Once you type the Royal Elementor Kit, this theme will appear. Now simply click on install button and then click on activate. Alright, so theme has been activated. Now simply click on get started with template kit and now wait for a few seconds. It will install few plugins for you. Now you have to click on allow and continue, but before I click on that, let me show you how many plugins we have right now. Let's refresh this page, plugins, installed plugins, and you can see we have Elementor and we have the Royal Elementor add-ons. Elementor plugin allow you to create custom web pages with drag and drop features without knowing a single line of code. And this is the add-on for the Elementor. Let's close this out and now click on allow and continue. Alright guys, now you can see different types of templates that you can install to create amazing looking website. When you see this premium badge on any template, that means you cannot install that template unless you have the premium version of this theme. But don't worry, we'll use a free theme or free template to create amazing looking website. So simply come over here and here select free, and now you will see only free templates that you can install right away. But in this video, we're going to use Pet Shop. So this is the Pet Shop e-commerce template that will create amazing looking website. Simply select that and click on import template kit and then click OK. Now wait for a few minutes and it will install all the required plugins, widgets, content and all the essential elements to create amazing looking website. So I'm gonna speed the video up and I'll come back once it's done.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we have successfully imported the demo site. It takes few minutes to complete the process. Now you can click over here to visit your site. Let's open link in a new tab. And here you can see now we have the beautiful looking website with few clicks of buttons. Okay, now all you have to do, you just need to customize this website according to your preferences. You can change the images, you can change the buttons, you can change the text, you can change the menu, logo, each and everything however you like. Later, I'll show you how you can customize this website, but let's look at some essential settings of this website because this is the e-commerce website that is built with the WooCommerce plugin. Okay, so let me close this tab and let's close this one as well. Now let's go to the dashboard and let's proceed with the next step. Alright, there have been a problem with this plugin, Royal Elementor add-on. There was a technical problem. I'm not able to access the WordPress dashboard, but WordPress automatically sent me this email where I can access to the recovery mode after entering the recovery mode by typing the username and password. And now I can customize this website further. Let's hover your mouse over WooCommerce and then click on settings. But don't worry, in a future update, they might be fix this problem. You don't have to enter into recovery mode. You can continue with your website management with this plugin. Okay, so let's move to the next settings, which is the WooCommerce plugin settings. And now you can see we have different types of tabs over here like journal, product, shipping, payments, accounts, email integration, site visibility and advanced. However, I have created several videos regarding WooCommerce settings. You can check out those videos in the video description. I'm not gonna go very deep into this plugin. First of all, in the general tab, we have the address. Quickly type in your address and your state or country, India, Punjab, zip code, selling location, sell to all countries, or shipping location, ship to all countries you sell to. If you're planning to sell any specific area like United States only, select sell to specific countries and then type your country name, United States. You can add more than one country. You can select United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, whatever country you want to sell your products to. Next, shipping location, ship to all countries you sell to, or you can ship to any specific countries only. It's all up to you. Next, we have the enable taxes. You can enable taxes if you want. I'm going to leave it as it is. Enable coupons. You can use coupons to promote your products. Next, we have the currency option. You can select or display different types of currency options. You can select the currency as per your country. Okay, in this example, we are selling products only in United States. Then I'll select with US dollar, currency position left, and the rest of the options should be the same as mine, and click on save changes once you're done with it. Next, let's go to the products. Here you can see we have different types of options here, like we have the general, inventory, downloadable, approved downloadable directories, and advanced. In the general, we have the shop page, which is already selected, and do not check this option. Let your customer add as many products as they want into their cart page. Next, we have the placeholder images. You can change the number from here. Weight unit. If you're selling heavy products, it should be kilograms. If you're selling the lighter weight products, you can select grams or lbs. It's all up to you guys. It depends on the product you are selling. Okay. Dimension unit, centimeter, meter, millimeter. It's all up to the product type. Reviews. This is very important. Make sure you enable reviews. This allow other customer to see positive reviews below each product. So make sure you enable that. Once you make any changes, don't forget to click on save changes. Next, we have the inventory. You can manage inventory from here. You can change the minute from here. Notification, which is very important. Low stock threshold, you can change the number from here. If you think 5 number is considered number for low threshold, you can select from here. Out of stock obviously is a 0. Hide out of stock items from the catalog. You can hide it or you can leave it as it is. The rest of the options should be same as mine. If you make any changes, don't forget to click on save changes. Next, we have the downloadable products. We are not selling any kind of downloadable items, so I'm going to skip that. Let's scroll up. We have the shipping. Here you can see you can create shipping zone. To create a shipping zone, either you can click here or here. Let's click on add shipping zone. First, we will create a free shipping zone. I'm going to call it free shipping region, North America, United States. That's it. Next, click on add shipping method, free shipping. Click on continue. Shipping name, free shipping, which is already there. Free shipping requires what? A valid free shipping coupon, order amount or coupon, order amount and coupon. Let's go with no requirement. Click on create and then we're done with the free shipping. If you want to create a paid shipping method, what you can do is let's go back to shipping zone. You can see we have free shipping. Let's click on add zone, type the zone name. I'm going to call it United States region, North America. Okay, add shipping method, flat rate. This time I'll select flat rate. You can also select this local pickup. First, let's go with flat rate. Click continue. Flat rate status should be taxable or non-taxable. Let's go with none. Cost $5. You can add shipping class cost as well. Here you can add a shipping class, but I'm not going to show you how to create shipping classes in this video because I already created a separate video for that. Let's click on create and save. There you go. Let's go to shipping zone. So here you can see we have created 2 types of shipping zone. Now let's go to payments tab. Here you can see we have 3 types of payment options available over here by default. If you want to set up PayPal, Stripe, you have to install those plugins separately. To get that, let's hover your mouse over plugins, click on add new plugin, open link in a new tab, and here search for PayPal. And you have to install this plugin, WooCommerce PayPal Payments. Click on install now and then click on activate. Once you activate this plugin, let's close this tab, come back here under the WooCommerce settings, payments. You can see we don't have PayPal option over here right now until you refresh the page. When you refresh the page, you can see we got so many other options inside our payment gateway. Here you can see we have the PayPal. First, make sure to enable this option by checking this box. Once you do it, it will automatically open the PayPal for you. Okay, so this is the PayPal. Here all you have to do, just click on toggle to manual credential, and now you need to enter your live email address, your live merchant ID and live client ID and secret key. If you want to know how to get these credentials, you can check out my other video, link in the video description. Once you set up your payment gateway, currently I'm going to set up only cash on delivery. It is cash on delivery. There we go. I'm going to enable this option and scroll down and then click on finish setup. Here you can change the description, instructions and the shipping option as well. I'm going to select free shipping and then click on save changes. Any free shipping will get cash on delivery option. Okay. Next, we have the accounts and privacy. Here you can see we have the checkout, account creation, during checkout or my account page. I'm going to select only during checkout. Account creation options, use email address as an account login recommended. Make sure you check that and check this one as well. Rest of the options are completely fine. Let's click on save changes. Next we have the email, and here make sure first 3 email should be yours. If not, you can change it by clicking on manage button, and from here you can change your email address, and that's it. Let's go to the advanced tab. Let's leave the integration and site visibility. In the advanced option, here you can see we have cart page, checkout page, my account page and terms and condition page. Cart page and checkout page is already selected. My account page, there is a no my account page. You have to create a new my account page. To do it, let's go to pages, add new, and here type my account and click on publish. Hit publish once again, close this out. Now come back here, refresh the page. After you refresh, now search for my account. There you go, select that, and now we need a terms and condition page. I think we don't have terms and condition page as well. Okay, let's create a terms and condition page as well. But first of all, scroll down at the very bottom, click on save changes, and let's open ChatGPT and ask it create a terms and condition page for my e-commerce website where I sell pet products. Let's press enter, and there you go. ChatGPT has created a terms and condition page for you. All you have to do, just read the entire terms and condition and change few things like your domain name, your email, your contact information, and any terms that not suits with your website or not suits with your terms. Let's copy the entire terms and condition page, come back to your site, go to pages, add new, and paste the content over here. Add the title, terms and conditions, click on publish, hit publish once again. Let's close this out and let's close the ChatGPT as well. Guys, make sure to read your terms and condition carefully and then adjust anything you like. Once you do it, come back to this page, click on refresh, and now you can search for terms and condition, and there you go. We got the page, select it, scroll down at the very bottom and then click on save changes. So with that, we're done with the advanced tab as well. Let's go back to the dashboard and let's proceed with the next step. Alright guys, before we proceed to the next step, let's exit to the recovery mode and let's verify our changes that we have made inside our WooCommerce plugin. Let's click on live button. Let's go to the journal. You can see all the changes are still there. Go to shipping. You can see everything is there. Payments. We have the cash on delivery payment option over here, which is completely fine. Let's go to the dashboard. Now you can see that technical issue has been gone. Now you're ready to create your website continuously. Okay. In fact, let me show you the plugins. However you mouse over plugins, all installed plugins, you can see Royal Elementor plugin is activated now, but there is no issue with that. Okay. Let's go to the dashboard. In the beginning, there was a technical issue with the plugin, but now the issue has been gone. Alright, let's move to the next part. In this step, we are going to look at the Royal Elementor add-ons pop-up builder. This is very useful. So you can see we haven't created any type of pop-up. Let's create a new one by clicking on create template button, add the name, I'm going to call it my pop-up, and then click on create template, and then click on add condition. We are using a free version of this plugin, so we can select only entire site, and then click on save conditions. It will automatically open this window. Let's click on skip. Here you have two options. You can either create pop-up template from scratch, or you can use pre-made templates from the Royal Elementor kit. Let's click over here, and you can see some of these templates comes with the pro version. Let's go here, category, let's select the discount. You can see these are the free one. I'm gonna select this one, click on insert. Alright, so this is the template that you can use directly on your website. There are different locations to use these pop-ups, like you can use pop-up on the header, slider, or the middle, anywhere you like. Okay, if you go to the settings right over here, you can see pop-up, open pop-up, on page load, on page scroll, and few other options that comes with the pro version. We are using a free version of this plugin, so we have only one option. In the style, you can change the background image from here, like you can select this one, click select. You can see you can change the color of your font. Go to style, text color, let's change it to something black. This sale color as well, go to style, change color to black. This one as well, style, text color, black. This one as well, style, color, black. There you go. So this is how you can customize your pop-ups. Once you're happy with the pop-up, click on publish, and let's click over here and then click on exit to WordPress. So you can see we'll have one pop-up. Now you still have option to manage your pop-up. Click on add a template. Here, click on the pop-up settings. Here you can change the delay. From here, 3 seconds. Show again delay, no delay. 1 minute delay, no delay. That's completely fine. Let's click on the publish button. And now let's exit this template. Exit to WordPress. Let's visit your site. Wait for 3 seconds, and you can see we got the pop-up right here. Let's close this out. So this is how you create a pop-up on your website. Let me close this one as well. Let's go to the dashboard and let's proceed with the next step. Okay, so in this step, we'll look at how to add products into your e-commerce website. So hover your mouse over products under WooCommerce, you will see section products. First of all, let's go to all products, and here you can see these are the dummy products that you should delete before adding your own product. To delete all these products in a bulk, you can check this box, it will select all of them. Go to bulk action, select move to trash, then click on apply, it will delete all the products at once. So I'm not going to do it. For sake for this video tutorial, I'm going to keep it as it is. But in your case, you have to remove dummy products because it's obvious you're not selling them. To add new product, you can either go to products, add new, or you can click over here, add new. Scroll down, you can see we have the product name. Type the product name. Let's go to the Amazon, select any product. For example, you're selling this product on your website. So make sure type in the product title. Here you should add the product description. I'm going to copy paste the description from here. Just sake for the video tutorial. I'm doing this because I want to show you how things works when adding products. You add the title, you add the description. In the right hand side, you can see we have the product image. You can add image. This is the main image that will display on the shop page of your website. In fact, let me download this image. Come back here. Let's upload that image. Click on set product image. Now scroll down. You can see we have product gallery images. Let's add that as well. Let's see if we have more images. Let's download these images as well. Okay, let's drag and drop all these images. Once you select all these images, as you can see, all these images are selected. Click on add to gallery. Now these images has been added to the gallery. Now you can add this product into any product category of your choice. These are the dummy categories. If you want to add your own, click on add new category. Type the category name, baby toy, and then click on add new category. I'm doing this just sake for the video tutorial. I'm just demonstrating, guys. It could be any category, it could be any product. You can bring images from your computer or anywhere you like. Okay, scroll down, you can see we have the product tags. You can type at least 3 tags, baby toy, items, whatever you like. Next we have the secondary image. you can leave it as it is if you want. Now scroll up, you can see this is the product section data. Here you can see we have different types of products. You can create simple product, grouped product, external affiliate product, variable products as well. Let's look at simple product. When you select the simple product, in the left hand side we have different types of tabs here like general, inventory, shipping, linked product, attributes, advanced, and get more options. First we have the general. Here you can type the regular price $50, and if there is any sale you can type the sale price as well, $25. Scroll down, you can see we have the inventory. You can leave this as it is. Shipping, if you have created shipping classes, you can add the shipping classes for that product as well. I've also created an advanced video tutorial to create different types of product. If you're interested in learning how to create grouped product, external or variable products, go ahead, watch my WooCommerce series where I'll show you how to create different types of product. Anyways, next we have the linked product. Here you can link any product for upsell and cross sale. Just type the product name. Let me go to all products and let's copy this product name. Let's paste it here. Let's add one product. You can add as many products as you want, and you can also add cross-sell products as well. Okay, attributes. Here you can create different types of attributes for this product. Like you can create sizes, different types of colors available for this product. Your customer can select different types of size or different types of color. Basically, you can create different variation for single product. Next, we have the advanced. Here you can add the purchase note and get more option. In the get more option, you can download more extensions for your WooCommerce plugins to extend the extra functionality to your website. Here you can see different types of extensions that you can download and install directly inside your WordPress website. Some of them are free as you can see, and some of them are paid. So keep in mind that. Let's close this out, and you can see we have this virtual and downloadable product section. If you're selling downloadable products, you can check this box. If you're selling courses or something like that, you can go with the virtual products. Anyways, let's scroll down. Finally, we have the product description. Just quickly type in the product description. Let me copy the product description from here. This is the short product description. So with that, we have created our simple product. Finally, click on publish and your product is published now. Let's click on view product and let's see how it's look. So as you can see, we got the product image and we have the gallery images and we have the short description. This is the regular price and this is the sale price and this is the title. Your customer can add more than one product into their cart. Scroll down, you can see this is the product description, which is amazing. So this is how you add products into your e-commerce website. Alright, so let's close this out. Let's visit your site in a new tab. Scroll down and you can see we got the product over here. Let's close this pop-up. As you can see, your customer can add this product into their cart. Alright guys, so let's close this out and let's go to the dashboard and let's proceed with the next step. Alright guys, so in this step, we'll look at how to customize our website. First, we'll look at how to customize the menus that we'll see on the front end of our website. This is the menu. To customize our menu, go back to the back end of your site, hover your mouse over appearance and then click on menus. And here you can see we have only one menu, which is the main menu. To add or remove any item from this menu, simply click over here to expand that and click on remove. That option will be removed from your site like this. Okay. To add more item into this menu, come over here. From the left hand side, you will see you can add items from pages, posts, custom links, categories, and WooCommerce endpoints. Let's add a few pages, like you can add my account page, or you can add the contact page, about us page, and shop page. Shop page and about us page is already there, so I'm gonna uncheck this one as well. Let's click on add to menu and those items will be added to your menu. This is the drop down menu. Under the pages, you can see we have the about and contact us. To create this type of drop down menu, all you have to do, just drag and drop any item below any other item and you will have the drop down menu like this. Okay, let me show you this type of drop down menu. Okay, let me undo that. Once you add those items, scroll down and click on save menu, come back to your front end, refresh the page, and now you can see we got few more items over here. Okay, so this is how you customize your menu. Now let's look at the header section. Let's see how to customize this header, entire header. Have your mouse over here, click on Pet Shop V1 header, and here if you want to replace this logo with your own, all you have to do just simply click on this pencil icon and it will take you to the section where you can replace this logo with your own. To change it, simply click on choose image and here change this logo with your own. Select the logo and click on select, or you can upload your logo from your computer. Let's change this image as well with the same logo. That's it. For mobile devices, I'm gonna select the same image as well. Below you can see we have the site title none, tagline none, alignment which is completely fine, logo URL, let's keep it default. Rest of things are good here. Let's change this menu. Click on navigation, or you can use this floating navigator to jump into any item that you like to edit. In this container, we have this navigation menu. In this navigation menu, we have 3 tabs: content, style, and advanced. In the content, we have different types of options here, like we have the select menu, main menu, which is we have on our website. This website contains only one menu. Menu layout, horizontal, vertically. You cannot select vertically, which comes with the pro version. Okay. Alignment, completely fine. Menu items, hover effect. When you hover your mouse over any item from this menu, you can see we have the underline effect. You can change anything you like you can select double line, overline. You can see. Let's go with the underline. Under the style, we have different types of options, like we menu icon size, 14 is completely fine. Text color, you can change the text color from here. As you can see, let's go with black. Make sure to customize your mobile menu as well. When you change the settings for mobile devices, make sure to select this portrait mode, and now you can play around with the mobile settings. Font size, you have to click over here, and now you can change the font size. Okay, something like that. Let's go back to the desktop view. So in the similar way, you can customize this search bar, enable ajax search, which is very important. This will bring the products live when your customers search on your website. And there are so many settings available for us to customize. So take your time and style your search bar as per your liking. Similarly, you can change these as well. Go to container. Inside the container, we have the mini cart. In the container too, we have the image. Make sure to add the custom URL for your My Account page over here. Otherwise, this won't work. Okay? Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on publish and it will keep your changes saved. Exit to WordPress. Let's visit your site once again. Now, let's look at how to customize your footer. Hover your mouse over Edit with Elementor and then select footer. In the similar way, you can customize your footer as well. You can change the image from here. You can change the text. Select the text. Come over here in the left hand side. You can type anything you like. In the similar way, you can customize anything of your choice. Okay. These icons, you can replace these phone number with your own. You can add your own email, your address, and this copyright text as well. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on publish. Let's exit to WordPress and visit your site once again. And let's look at how to customize the middle part of this website. Basically, you can customize everything in the same way like we did before. Now this time, click on Edit with Elementor. So now you can see we have a bunch of containers over here. We have container 1, container 2, and we have container 3, so on and so forth. Okay, so take your time and replace anything you like. You can literally replace this image with your own image. Select the container. This is the advanced slider carousel. When you select it, in the left hand side, you can see we have the 2 carousel. First, we have this dog image. You can replace this image with your own. You can upload your own image from your computer, or you can replace this image with any image of your choice. I'm gonna leave it as it is. I just want to show you how things works. Next, you can see we have the link type, none, custom URL, YouTube, Vimeo, custom video, anything you like, you can add over here. Size, contain, cover or auto, I'm gonna keep it as it is. Next, we have this image. Similar way, you can replace this image with your own. If you want to change the content, go to content, and here you can see you can replace this content with your own. You can place the title as well. In fact, let me show you. Let's go back to the first one. Go to content, and here you can see, the title, which is right here. You can add your own, as you can see, and this is the text. Add your own. Now you can see this text is overriding. Let's bring this text down here. To do it, come over here and add start bracket, BR, close bracket. And now you can see we have fixed the problem. In the similar way, we have this button over here. This is the primary button. You can change the button text, buy now or shop now, whatever you like, and you can add the custom URL. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on publish, and it'll keep your changes saved. If you keep scrolling down, you can see we have different types of sections as well. Like if you click over here, it'll select that container. Under the container, you can see we have 2 more container. Let's expand that. Expand this one as well. We have the image, this one, this image. You can replace this image with your own. Next, we have this image. And if you want to change any text, simply select the text from the left hand side and type anything you like. Okay. So this is how you can customize the existing website. If you want to add more items into this page, all you have to do is just come over here, add element, and here you can see we have different types of drag and drop elements that you can use directly inside your website. When you see this R icon, that means that widget came from the Royal Elementor add-on. Amazing, right? To add any item, just simply drag and drop any item anywhere off this page and it will add that item for you, as you can see. Okay, to delete any item, go to this structure, floating structure, select the item that you want to delete, right click and simply click on delete button, and that item will be removed from your page. So website design or web page design is a long process. It requires your time and your creativity. So take your time and use this drag and drop editor to create any kind of web page of your choice. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on publish and it will keep your changes saved. Basically, I'm not gonna go very deep into this customization section because I've already covered the customization of any kind of e-commerce website on my separate video, which you can find in the video description. So anyways, this is how you create an amazing looking e-commerce website with WordPress and Verpex web hosting. This is the fastest web hosting available over the internet. So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you found this video valuable. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. And remember to check out the important links in the video description as well as in the pinned comment. So that being said, goodbye. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.